Today I am going to discuss about invoicing and the apps a lot of freelancers use in their daily work regarding sending their invoices to their clients. Okay, so this is very important. After every project you are going to complete, you need to send invoices to your clients. So there are a lot of different free apps and some paid one I'm going to review today. So the first one is PayPal. Okay, now why PayPal is recommended? Because a lot of clients already have their accounts in PayPal and they really trust this. Okay, so it is very popular. So create an account in your country. If there is no PayPal, I am going to in the PayPal, when you have logged in, you can see here we have a button pay or send money. You can click on it, and or you can go to this send and request money, and you can create a invoice from within the PayPal. Okay, so create invoice. I have already sent hundreds of times invoices from these invoice management system of PayPal. You can also copy already sent invoice. Okay, so if I have invoice I have sent, I can just copy it and start from here. Okay, so this is really easy to create invoice. You can add a lot of things like descriptions, your items, and you can see over here invoice numbers, email of your business client's email. Then you can see over here I have this landing page design, charge over here, and here I have stock image purchased. Okay, so if you want to send some note to the client, you can send it over here. Okay, so this is one way. The second app I really like is this one, hellobonsai.com, and I think it is one of the best, very straightforward, and it is built by freelance community, and I think it is free for everyone. Okay, so I can even create contracts, different contracts. I can create projects, and it can create very professional. You can see over here I have created one dummy contract with Google over here, and you can see it has created a very great content and contract, and I think everything is really legal about it. So very easy. You can see over here my signatures, and the other party I can send this contract so they can sign over here. Okay, so as soon as I create a contract, it is going to create two invoices. Okay, you can see over here I have one payment 300 that is going to be paid before work begins, so it is going to create one for this 300 and the rest for $600. Okay, so this is very easy. Also, its integration with different let me show you its settings. You can see over here payments integrations are great. You can see it can integrate it with your PayPal, with Stripe and Coinbase for sending bitcoins, I guess. Okay, I don't understand these integrations, but I think you can integrate it with Zapier, which is very popular among developers. So this is all about this bonsai, hellobonsai.com, and I really love it. The second one is this Invoicely.com, and right now I am in the dashboard. Now the thing I love about this Invoicely app is that it can create two type of invoices. For example, I am creating or maintaining my client's WordPress website on a monthly charge. Okay, so I want a recurring invoice sent to him every month. Okay, after every 30 days of like $50 or $100. So I can create a recurring invoice over here. Also, you can create simple invoice. The fields and automatic filling of this, I really love this, how it is laid out. You can see over here from, and here you can insert your logo and a lot of things. I think these are very easy. Every field is really unique and laid out easily, so I know that I'm typing over here. Okay, so it is really nice. Also, it can create bills. I don't know what they are for, but I think they mean urgent payment in terms of finance, I guess. Estimates and track are basically for paid members, so you need to purchase it for $10 per month to get this feature on. Okay, also you can add some clients over here if you want to. Okay, so this is all about this Invoicely. I think it is good for invoices and recurring invoices, and it's free. Okay, so I really love the apps where we have free accounts. Then I'm going to discuss this waveapps.com, and I have heard very good things from few freelancers about this. Okay, so a lot of people are using it. The features it has are almost similar to this Invoicely, and I think also their this invoicing window or whatever I say interface is good. They are also similar between apps. Okay, so I think it's almost similar to that one. Bills are also the same. I don't know what are the receipts for. Accounting, reports and payroll, I think it's a bit bigger if you are managing a team. I think you can issue their payroll and other things. So it is good for freelancers or freelance agencies, I guess. But I think this Bonsai is very straightforward, and this Invoicely is very straightforward. It is a bit bigger app. Wave, it is slowing down my browser. I don't know why. Okay, so next up is Invoice.to. It is very simple, very free. It is already a template. You just need to click and fill different items over here, and I really love it. Very simple, very straightforward. It has nothing and no other options. So you just need to connect with Stripe. Okay, so you can create a Stripe account with your bank. You need a bank account, and in the USA I think you can easily do it. Stripe is good and reliable, and the best thing is that this invoicing is free. Okay, now next up is FreshBooks. FreshBooks is free for 30 days, and it has also very good dashboard items like invoices, clients, expenses, projects, time tracking. I really love their options. These options are very close to the freelancers' needs, and I really like this navigation. Also, its invoices and other things, they are good. You can create a new invoice over here, and you can see over here how this is laid out. Very nice. Okay, and very easy to grab different portions. You can see over here, add a client. It's very easy to use it, and it's a paid option, so I am going to keep it at the end. So other options is that you just need a template. Okay, so you can download templates from squareup.com, invoices, invoice templates. I'm going to give you all the links at the end of this lecture. In the next lecture you can see all the links. Okay, so you can download any doc or XLS format invoices and go from there. Okay, now the next up is invoicing templates from Microsoft Office. You can see over here they are like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can use any of them. And now I'm going to show you my invoicing template I created myself. Okay, this one, and it is very simple, very easy. I'm going to include this in the links too, so you can download and use it. Invoice for this number, date, and invoice for what I've done, description, and then there is a description for each item I'm using or charging for. Then there is total charges. Okay, so when you write at the end of the total charges, you should tell the client that these are going to be excluding your money transfer charges or taxes or everything. Okay, so the client is going to bear all the charges. Then we have over here, which I always write because we are freelancers, we are remote, we might be in another country. So you can use two options, which I'm going to show you at the end. This one, Payoneer.com. And then I also use this PayPal logo, so the client instantly know that this is my PayPal email. And I add 0.3% or 3% PayPal deductions on every transaction. Okay, so these are my signatures at the end. I think we don't need it, but still I use them over here, so client knows that it is from me. Okay, this is one other. You can see over here I have more items. Where I have free item, I have made it bold, so client knows that he got this for free. Okay, it makes some good impression on the client, so it's a secret. Okay, so keep in mind this tip, and this is all. Now I'm going to discuss a website or paying service which is called Payoneer. It is for the people who don't have a PayPal account and can't create a PayPal account. You can get payments from here. You can create global payment services where you can have different US bank accounts. You can see over here, and you can transfer with ACH US bank transfers. Okay, so they can transfer here and you will get it in your card. Okay, so this Payoneer sends you a Visa or debit card, and you can use that in your own country, and it will be linked to these virtual accounts. Okay, so these are virtual bank accounts, not real bank accounts. Sometimes if your client is having problem, just give them your international bank account number, IBAN number, and they can set up a wire transfer. Okay, so this is another option. So rather than giving them PayPal or some other option, just give them your international account and they can transfer there. Okay, so make sure you have good payment, like maybe $1,000 or more than 1,000, because setting up a wire transfer is going to cost at least $30 to $40 to your client. Okay, so these are all the options I have showed you for invoicing and sending invoices to your clients. Keep me updated about it. If you like something or don't like something, ask questions. And this is all about invoicing and invoicing templates. So let's move on.